Ever been in a relationship where you feel like you're not being treated right? Like you're being put down or ignored? If so, you're not alone. This is called disrespect, and it's a big problem in many relationships. Disrespect can show up in many ways. It can be mean comments, hurtful jokes, or even being ignored or left out. It can make you feel bad about yourself and damage your relationship. But there's good news. In this video, we'll teach you 15 cool ways to deal with disrespect in a relationship. You'll learn how to stand up for yourself, talk to your partner, and protect your feelings. If you're ready to fix your relationship and make it better, stick around for the next 7 minutes and learn these awesome strategies. So if you related to any of these tips, let me know in the comments below. Share your experiences and tell me if you found these strategies helpful. I'd love to hear from you. Number 15, recognize disrespectful behavior. Disrespectful behavior can take many forms, such as speaking rudely, ignoring your feelings, or not treating you with kindness. It's essential to recognize these behaviors so you can address them effectively. Sometimes disrespect can be subtle, like making jokes at your expense or dismissing your opinions. Pay attention to how you feel when interacting with your partner to identify any signs of disrespect. Number 14, set boundaries. Setting boundaries means deciding what you will and will not tolerate in a relationship. Boundaries help create a safe and respectful environment for both partners. Think about what behavior is unacceptable to you and communicate it clearly to your partner. For example, you might say, "I don't like it when you raise your voice at me. Please speak to me calmly and respectfully." Number 13, communicate effectively. Effective communication is essential for resolving conflicts and addressing issues in a relationship. When discussing disrespect, use I statements to express your feelings without blaming or accusing your partner. For instance, instead of saying, "You always disrespect me," you could say, "I feel hurt when you make fun of me in front of our friends." Number 12, listen to each other. Listening is just as important as speaking in a relationship. Take the time to listen to your partner's perspective and understand their feelings. Show empathy and respect for their point of view, even if you disagree. When both partners feel heard and understood, it's easier to find common ground and resolve conflicts. Number 11, seek support. Dealing with disrespect in a relationship can be challenging, so don't hesitate to seek support from friends, family, or a trusted adult. Talking to someone you trust can provide perspective and guidance on how to handle the situation. Remember, you're not alone, and there are people who care about you and want to help. Number 10, take time for yourself. It's essential to prioritize self-care and take time for yourself, especially when dealing with difficult situations like disrespect in a relationship. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation, whether it's spending time with friends, pursuing hobbies, or practicing mindfulness exercises. Taking care of yourself will help you maintain your emotional well-being and resilience. Number 9, consider couples counseling. If you're struggling to address disrespect in your relationship on your own, couples counseling can be a valuable resource. A therapist can provide a neutral and supportive environment for both partners to express their feelings and work through issues together. Couples counseling can help improve communication, rebuild trust, and strengthen the relationship. Number 8, reevaluate the relationship. If disrespect continues to be a recurring issue despite your efforts to address it, it may be necessary to reevaluate the relationship. Reflect on whether the relationship is healthy and fulfilling for you. Consider whether your boundaries are being respected and whether your needs are being met. It's essential to prioritize your well-being and happiness in any relationship. Remember, you deserve to be treated with kindness and respect. Number 7, seek professional help if necessary. If disrespect in the relationship escalates to verbal, emotional, or physical abuse, it's crucial to seek professional help immediately. Abuse is never acceptable and should not be tolerated under any circumstances. Reach out to a counselor, therapist, or hotline for support and guidance on how to safely leave the relationship and protect yourself from harm. Number 6, practice self-reflection. Take time to reflect on your own behavior and how it may contribute to the dynamic of the relationship. Are there any patterns or habits you need to address? Self-reflection allows you to take ownership of your actions and make positive changes that can improve the overall health of the relationship. Number 5, set realistic expectations. It's essential to have realistic expectations about what can be achieved when addressing disrespect in a relationship. Change takes time, and both partners need to be committed to making it work. Understand that progress may be slow and setbacks may occur, but with patience and perseverance, positive change is possible. Number 4, focus on solutions, not blame. Instead of focusing on who is to blame for the disrespect in the relationship, focus on finding solutions together. Approach the situation as a team, working collaboratively to identify underlying issues and develop strategies for improvement. Remember, the goal is to strengthen the relationship and foster mutual respect and understanding. Number 3, practice forgiveness. Forgiveness is an essential part of healing and moving forward in a relationship. While it's natural to feel hurt and angry when disrespected, holding on to resentment only perpetuates negativity. Practice forgiveness for yourself and your partner, letting go of past grievances and focusing on building a positive future together. Number 2, celebrate progress. Celebrate small victories and progress made in addressing disrespect in the relationship. Acknowledge and appreciate the efforts you and your partner are making to improve communication, set boundaries, and treat each other with respect. Positive reinforcement reinforces behavior and strengthens the bond between partners. Number 1, stay committed to growth. Finally, stay committed to personal and relational growth. Throughout the journey of addressing disrespect in the relationship, embrace challenges as opportunities for learning and growth, and continue to work on strengthening the foundation of mutual respect, trust, and love. Remember that relationships require ongoing effort and dedication to thrive. So if you learned something new today or related to any of these tips, let me know in the comments below. Share your experiences and tell me if you found these strategies helpful. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want more videos about relationships, communication, and self-esteem, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Don't be afraid to stand up for yourself and create the healthy relationship you deserve. Remember, you deserve to be treated with respect in any relationship. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.